Hi guys, I'm Dr. Samriddhi here and I'm the founder of HOH Facility Private Limited. As you all know, we all have been hearing a lot about breast cancer, but still breast health and its prevention is still lacking in India. Today we have Dr. Kanchan Kaur with us who would be talking and clearing a lot of myths and facts about breast health.
Breast cancer is one of those cancers in the body which, if detected in time, are actually 100% curable. In the West, breast cancer is way much more common than it is in India. But do you know that the deaths due to breast cancer are higher in India? So, one out of two women diagnosed with breast cancer in India will lose her life to breast cancer, which means half of the women will die because of breast cancer once they are diagnosed with it. In the West, there is a 98 to 100% cure. In the West, breast cancer under the age of 40 is seen only in 6%. In India, it is seen in up to 16%. In fact, I'm currently treating a 23-year-old with breast cancer, which you would think is not an age to get breast cancer at. Our fear of the word cancer, our fear of hospitals, our fear of doctors is way more than the fear of the disease itself. Because if we were scared of the disease, we would come and get treated. But we are scared of going to hospital. We are scared of self-detecting. We are scared of doing tests that will pick up cancer. So what happens? That 80% women in India will come in stage 3 and 4. So they present in late stages because of all these reasons. Lifestyle changes, stress, the age at which you have your children, whether you're breastfeeding or not, how women who live in cities lead such artificial lifestyles, what we are eating, what we are drinking, the stress we are in, we have no sleep routine, we have no formal exercise routine. So all these things contribute towards development of breast cancer because, as I said, it is a lifestyle disease. Only in 10% cases, there is a family history. In 90% cases, there is no family history of breast cancer in women who get it. So it is primarily how your body responds to the environmental stimuli that you expose it to. And there are so many of them that it is multifactorial. And that is why even as experts, we can't tell you what is that one reason why breast cancer develops. And that is why we can't give you that jadui mantra to say isko japo to breast cancer nahi hoga, because it is so multifactorial. If cancer were painful, no Indian woman would sit at home with pain. My clinic is full of girls in their 20s and 30s, the one I call the worried well, because they have breast pain and they think they have cancer and they are in clinic. Whereas the girl who has cancer is sitting at home, she even feels a lump in her breast, but because it doesn't hurt, she thinks to herself कि इसमें दर्द नहीं है तो ये तो कैंसर नहीं हो सकता. Because we are used to this हिंदी मूवी ड्रामा अबाउट कैंसर हुआ तो खून की उल्टी आएगी और बहुत ड्रामा होगा, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. So every woman, from the day she develops breast, the day a mother thinks that the kid is old enough to know how to thread her eyebrows and wax her legs and arms, she's old enough to learn how to look after her breasts. So please, as mothers, as aunts, as women in the house, you need to teach girls from the age of 18 or 20 to learn to self-examine. There are a lot of non-cancerous lumps that we see in young girls' breasts that these young girls should also be aware of, because some of them can grow to very big proportions, needing big surgeries. So one myth that you shouldn't examine till you're married and till you have kids, which I've heard so many times, is wrong. If you have breasts and if you have two hands, you should be self-examining. It should start from the age of 18, 20 onwards. In fact, 18 onwards. Talking about mammograms happen in two scenarios. One is when you have a symptom and go to the doctor, and one is when you don't have a problem and you go to the doctor. That is what we call a screening test. Screening test means that you are absolutely hale and hearty. You don't feel any lump or any problem in your breast. Your doctor says on examination your breast is normal, but because you're 40 and above, you still get a mammogram. It is ideally recommended once every year or once every 2 years. Even doctors can't decide what is the right interval to do it at, but let your doctor guide you on that. And why do we do a screening mammogram? Is because cancer, when it starts off very small. So think of it as Deemak. अगर आपकी घर में a door has a small dot of Deemak, you will not wait for the entire door to go before you start taking action. So the whole idea is that we want to pick up that cancer. The state in which 70 to 80% of Western women get detected because they have regular mammograms. So mammograms 40 onwards to be done for everybody once every year or once every 2 years basis what your doctor recommends. Under the age of 40, mammogram should not be done unless recommended by a doctor on grounds of clinical suspicion of cancer. Okay, so under the age of 40, if you have a lump in the breast and your doctor thinks it's not looking like cancer, then the test that will be done first is an ultrasound. If the ultrasound also says that it is not looking like a cancer, you do not need a mammogram under the age of 40. Please remember that. We see so many young girls coming to clinic with mammograms because sadly in India, healthcare is not as standardized as it should be. So you should be empowered with what is the correct knowledge. If we are feeling healthy, we will not go to a hospital to do a preventive screen. Now, most private hospitals have what we call these executive health check packages. Do you know, for women who come to the hospital for this, so obviously they want to invest in their health, they will come and take every possible test to the word cancer. They will not do it. And I think it is because we are in this vicious circle. Whenever we hear the word cancer, we think suffering and we think death. Why do we think suffering and why do we think death? Because as I said, more than 80% women in the country will present late and 50% will die of their disease. So whenever you hear of cancer, you only hear of bad examples. So obviously you don't hear of the good, the people who've recovered very well. So unless we are able to tip that balance, where in the West, having a breast cancer means, wow, you carry that chip on your shoulder, I'm a survivor. You actually feel proud to say that. Unless we have that kind of an attitude in India, and because we're in that vicious circle, the later a woman presents, the more suffering she has. That is what everybody in the community sees. So the community thinks, everybody thinks, अरे अगर मुझे हुआ तो मेरे साथ भी ऐसा होगा. I can tell you of so none of their friends knew. In fact, one woman who was staying with her parents did not come to know that she underwent surgery and radiation. Because she didn't have any suffering, she didn't have chemotherapy, she didn't have any suffering. More than just saying कि अगर आपको problem हुई तो आपको doctor के पास जाना चाहिए. No, I think we need to point out how bad things are in India, that we are so scared of picking disease in its early stages that we are ready to die from the disease rather than get treated by it. Also, if a male member in your family has had breast cancer, then your risk is double that of if only a female member had it. So men can get breast cancer and you know, the youngest male patient I have treated was a 24-year-old who had to have a total breast removal because he was having nipple discharge. So yes, men can also get breast cancer. So you know, when I don't give milk to my kids because of a personal mental block and a bias, and my mom says that हमारे तो घरों में सब पीते थे दूध, इतना पीते थे, उनको कुछ नहीं हुआ. So I tell them, it's you knew which cow the milk was coming from. I don't even know which packet has come from which cow and how many hormones that cow has been given.
For more videos and for more information, please subscribe to our channel.